DAJA DJ6 Vector Engraving Tutorial for Text and Images. First, is to open the Engraver app, tap Pictures, and choose the skeleton engraving mode. Tap Text, select the font, and input the text or words you wish to engrave. Then connect to the machine via Bluetooth. Now adjust the size of the text that would fit into the wood sample. And then we input the laser power and laser speed. In here, we use 50% laser power and 60% laser speed. Tap Start, and wait for file transfer. Always wear eye protection when using laser machine. This is vector engraving for text only. Now, let's do vector engraving for images. With your smartphone, we take picture of the image we want to engrave. After taking picture of the image, we open the Engraver app, tap Pictures, and select the image we just saved. And then we crop the image like this. In here, we select the outline mode for engraving. Then we adjust the size of the image that would fit into the wood sample. Then input laser power at 50% and laser speed at 60%. Tap Start, and wait for file transfer. Vector engraving follows the line of the image, like a continuous line. So this is vector engraving. It only engraves the outline of the text or images.